For this first big assignment, you're going to use Adobe Rush or whatever video editing software you're familiar with to edit a short video using the provided collection of video clips and audio. You can also add your own if you feel so inclined. The level of creativity here is up to you. Don't spend more time than is necessary on this unless you really want to. I've provided a brief tutorial for using Adobe Rush. If you need additional help, let me know. The VCU workshop at Cabell Library is also a good resource as well. The student aides there know this stuff like the back of their hands, and I've given them a heads up that we'll be using it. For the actual assignment, once you've edited your video and you're getting ready to upload and annotate it from Kaltura, start thinking about the choices you made during editing. For instance, you may have included a wide establishing shot prior to two characters' dialogue. You want to explain what that establishing shot does. How does it set up your scene? Think about our definitions. At the very least, identify the shot you're using, provide a contextual definition of that shot, and include a sentence justifying that choice. In an example from the ending of Sherlock Jr., we are given a long establishing shot that includes the movie theater screen, the audience, and the orchestra pit. This establishing shot is used to establish the spatial relationship between the audience, the screen, and Keaton's character as he enters from the bottom of the frame. When the film cuts to a shot that only includes Buster Keaton, after he's entered the screen, we can surmise that he has entered into the movie because he is seen previously to be in front of the movie screen. In Rashomon, the space between the camera is never established. We don't know what the court building looks like, and we can only assume that the characters are speaking to a judge off screen, even though we never see the judge. By not including an establishing shot, Kurosawa places the audience in the role of the judge. Since we are seeing the scene from this point of view, the director has also cross-cut medium reaction shots of the character's face to highlight their response to the court proceedings. Short descriptions like these are what I'm looking for. Since everyone's submission is going to be different, and since this might be the first time that any of you have done anything like this, I'll be grading your understanding of the course material, not your editing skills, as long as everything makes sense. Can you name and define the shots you're using and justify their use? Is everything clearly written and specific to your short example? And have you attempted to produce something that follows cinematic norms? Or if it doesn't, can you justify that divergence from those norms?